Welcome to AI Frontiers. Today's episode spotlights the evolving role of artificial intelligence as your coding copilot. Drawing from 23 research papers released on July 14, 2025, in the field of software engineering, we explore how AI is transforming coding, testing, and teamwork. Join us as we unveil the latest breakthroughs and their real-world impact, revealing the future of software development. In this session, the focus is on how artificial intelligence is reshaping every stage of the software development lifecycle. Key topics include the unexpected challenges faced by modern code and security tools, and evidence-based insights into what truly works in practice. Additionally, we will consider the human side of software engineering, team dynamics, ethics, and social impact. This episode serves as your guide to the most influential papers released this week, providing a comprehensive overview of the current state of the field. Software engineering, at its core, is the discipline dedicated to building, testing, and maintaining digital systems. It can be likened to city planning for the digital world, balancing agility, reliability, security, and scalability. This field powers everything from mobile applications to mission-critical infrastructure in healthcare and finance. Ongoing research continually drives the evolution of tools and methodologies, ensuring that software remains robust, adaptable, and secure amid rapidly changing technological landscapes. The integration of artificial intelligence into software development is one of the most prominent trends in current research. AI assistants now support tasks such as backlog grooming, as demonstrated by Oftebro and colleagues. Large language models are being leveraged to recommend libraries and generate code assertions. Conversational agents facilitate team understanding of complex code, and AI-driven tools help manage agile workflows and project pipelines. These advances are underpinned by large language models, AI systems trained on extensive code and data to assist developers in various stages of the development process. Ensuring software quality and security remains a central goal in software engineering research. Innovative methods, such as those introduced by Nguyen and colleagues, focus on predicting software vulnerabilities. AI-driven techniques now repair buggy code using retrieval-augmented generation. However, real-world datasets have exposed significant limitations in current tools. Benchmarks like Code Assist Bench are being introduced to test AI in realistic scenarios. The area under the precision recall curve, a metric for rare event prediction, has emerged as a crucial measure for evaluating the accuracy of vulnerability detection methods. Agile methodologies are receiving renewed attention as researchers investigate the gap between agile theory and practical application. AI tools are automating backlog grooming with high precision, as evidenced by the work of Oftebro and collaborators. Conceptual frameworks, such as agile maps, are being developed to visualize the interdependencies between different agile practices. Empirical studies are examining the effectiveness of pair programming and overall workflow, with a growing emphasis on integrating both human and AI perspectives in agile research. The evaluation of AI tools in real-world software engineering settings is becoming increasingly rigorous. New benchmarks, such as Code Assist Bench, are highlighting the current limitations of AI models. Recent studies, including those by Xiao and colleagues, reveal that AI-generated code does not destabilize software projects. Research is also extending into domain-specific innovations, including privacy annotation, robotics, and drone software. Social and organizational impacts, such as compressed workweeks and ethical considerations, are being explored through transparent and participatory research methodologies. Several key findings are shaping the contemporary landscape of software engineering. AI has been shown to significantly boost productivity in tasks such as backlog grooming, as demonstrated by Oftebro et al. However, vulnerability prediction tools face notable limitations when exposed to real-world conditions, as found by Nguyen et al. Contrary to common beliefs, smaller, well-tuned models can match or exceed the performance of larger models. Research from Xiao et al. Indicates that AI-generated code can be both stable and transparent. Additionally, new benchmarks are exposing discrepancies between laboratory test results and actual performance in practice. A variety of research methodologies are driving progress in software engineering. Machine learning and deep learning are widely applied for code analysis tasks. Large, real-world datasets are constructed and utilized to ensure validity and applicability. Participatory studies engage real developers and teams, ensuring that research addresses practical challenges. Automation is realized through the development of tools, plugins, and benchmarks that are deployed in practice. Systematic reviews and meta-frameworks are employed to map the evolving landscape of the field and guide future research priorities. A pivotal paper in this collection is Toward Realistic Evaluations of Just-in-Time Vulnerability Prediction by Duong Nguyen and collaborators, published in 2025. This study critically examines predictive security tools using authentic, unbalanced datasets. The findings are striking. Accuracy in vulnerability detection drops by 98% when tested under real-world conditions. The authors advocate for the creation of new methods tailored to these realistic scenarios. By releasing a large public dataset, this research sets a new standard for transparency and has substantial implications for the advancement of software security. Another influential study is Gen AI-enabled backlog grooming in agile software projects by Casper Lean Oftebro and colleagues, published in 2025. This work introduces an AI-powered plugin that automates backlog cleaning in Jira, achieving perfect precision and reducing grooming time by 45%. The system empowers teams while maintaining transparency and significantly diminishes the manual effort required. This paper is notable for its practical value, robust empirical results, and its contribution to enhancing productivity in agile software development environments. Self-admitted Gen AI Usage in Open-Source Software, by Dao Xiao and collaborators, published in 2025, provides a human-centric analysis of AI adoption. The study examines more than 250,000 GitHub repositories to assess how openly developers disclose the use of generative AI tools. Results indicate no increase in code churn when Gen AI usage is explicitly acknowledged. The research explores developer motivations, emerging project policies, and emphasizes the importance of attribution and compliance. This work stands out for its focus on transparency and the social dimensions of AI integration in open-source ecosystems. Looking ahead, several future research directions are emerging. There is a recognized need to build more realistic evaluation datasets and frameworks to ensure the robustness of new tools. Advancements in domain-specific, efficient AI models are expected to democratize automation. Strengthening collaboration between researchers and practitioners will enhance relevance and impact. Ethical, organizational, and social questions must be addressed to ensure responsible innovation. Ultimately, maintaining a human-centered approach is essential as technology continues to evolve. This presentation was synthesized using GPT-4.1 by OpenAI to generate the narrative and insights. Text-to-speech is provided by Google, and visuals have been suggested via Grok image generation. All content underwent expert human review for clarity and relevance, though minor oversights may persist. Every referenced research paper is cited to ensure transparency and academic integrity throughout this episode. Stay ahead in AI and software engineering breakthroughs by subscribing to our YouTube channel for detailed analysis. Join a community of forward-thinking technologists, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments. In this podcast, we bring you the latest breakthroughs in computer science and AI, straight from the arXiv preprint server. From neural networks to quantum computing, we simplify complex research so you can stay ahead. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or tech enthusiast, AI Frontiers keeps you informed daily. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for daily updates. See you tomorrow with more cutting-edge AI insights. Disclaimer. This video uses arXiv preprint server content under its API terms of use. AI Frontiers is not affiliated with or endorsed by arXiv preprint server.